Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This usually resolves the issue. Ensure your Switch console is current with latest system updates. Specifically, version 10.0. 2 release notes mention stick drift. Completely remove, then replace the batteries. Reconnect the wireless controller to the Switch.
Make your mark, take our lead.
I would say your best options to prevent analog drift are to use the analog buttons as minimal as possible and to keep your controllers in an area that isn't dusty or that doesn't attract a lot of dust. 1 October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You want to go into your Switch's settings menu and recalibrate the offending stick. It's usually the left stick, but we aren't here to judge. Go to the Home menu, navigate down to System Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the left menu and select Controllers and Sensors. 10 September 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
TLDR, Power A controllers seem to be drifting on and off. Right analog stick on both pads works perfectly fine. Yeah, I've given up and gone back to my Joy-Cons. I plan on either using the warranty to get a new one or just refunding it if that's still possible at this point.
Take our lead.
Resetting the advanced gaming buttons. Hold the program button down for 2 seconds. The center LEDs will slowly flash red, signaling the controller is in program mode. Press and hold the program button for 5 seconds to reset to no function.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.